Most people want glowing skin instantly. They try harsh treatments, chemical peels, or overload their skin with products. But real glow doesn't come from shocking your skin. It comes from repairing it gently and consistently. That's why today I'm sharing a 15-day natural glow challenge that works with your skin's biology, not against it. This routine uses four powerful but simple ingredients. No harsh chemicals, just nourishment, balance, and patience. If you follow this challenge consistently for 15 days, you will notice visible changes in softness, texture, and natural glow. Now, why a 15-day challenge works? While full skin renewal may take about a month, the first visible improvements in hydration, inflammation, and skin barrier strength happen within 10 to 15 days. First ingredient, vitamin E oil, the skin repair antioxidant. Vitamin E oil is one of the most powerful antioxidants for skin repair. It protects skin cells from oxidative damage caused by pollution, sun exposure, and daily stress. Vitamin E oil strengthens the skin barrier, helping your skin retain moisture and resist irritation. With regular use, vitamin E oil improves texture, reduces dullness, supports healing, and enhances natural glow. This is why it's often called the skin repair vitamin. Second ingredient, coconut oil for deep nourishment and moisture lock. Coconut oil provides deep nourishment through healthy fatty acids that soften the skin and prevent moisture loss. It helps maintain a healthy skin barrier and keeps the skin smooth and supple. When used in small amounts on clean, slightly damp skin, coconut oil locks in hydration and supports a healthy glow without overwhelming the skin. Third ingredient, castor oil. Deep healing and circulation support. Castor oil is thicker and more powerful, which is why it works best when blended with lighter oils. It penetrates deeply, supports lymphatic circulation, and helps reduce congestion and dullness. Castor oil also has natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it especially helpful for calming irritated or uneven skin when used correctly and in moderation. And the final ingredient, cloves, natural purifier for clearer skin. Cloves contain natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce acne-causing bacteria and calm inflamed skin. They also support circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach skin cells more efficiently. When cloves are gently infused into oil, they act as a natural purifier without the harshness of any chemicals. Now, how to prepare this 15-day glow oil. To prepare the glow oil, gently warm 2 tablespoons of coconut oil until it becomes liquid but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Add half teaspoon of vitamin E oil to the blend. Add 3 to 4 cloves. Let the mixture sit for 12 to 24 hours so the clove compounds infuse into the oils. Store the oil in a clean glass bottle. This is your 15-day glow oil. Here's the best ratio for a 15-day glow oil to have a perfect balance. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1/4 to half teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and 3 to 4 cloves. This gives you all the antioxidant and repair benefits of vitamin E without overwhelming the skin. Here's some extra safety tip regarding vitamin E oil. If skin is oily or acne prone, stick to 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. If skin is dry or mature, half teaspoon is fine. Always patch test first. And for your convenience, I have shared Amazon links to these ingredients in the description below. Now, how to use it. Nighttime routine, most important. Every night before bed, cleanse your face gently and pat it dry. Take a few drops of the glow oil, warm it between your palms, and gently massage it into your skin using upward circular motions. Massage for about 5 minutes to improve circulation and lymphatic drainage. Leave it on overnight so your skin can repair and regenerate while you sleep. It will help reduce puffiness, improve skin tone, and boost natural glow faster. This 15-day glow challenge can be done every day, but only if your skin tolerates it well. For normal to dry skin, you can use it every night. Oily or acne prone skin, use it every alternate night, 3 to 4 times a week. Daily use may feel heavy for this skin type. Sensitive skin, or if you're not sure how your skin will react, start with 2 to 3 times a week. Then increase only if there is no irritation, no breakouts, or any other reactions. Now, what are you going to notice in 15 days? Within the first few days, your skin will feel softer and more hydrated. By the end of the first week, dryness and dullness begin to reduce. Over the next few days, skin texture improves, irritation calms down, and your skin starts to look healthier and more even. By the end of 15 days, most people notice a visible natural glow, smoother skin, and better overall skin comfort. This glow comes from skin repair, not surface shine. And remember, start with small amount. More is not better. Consistency and moderation are the key in this routine. This oil blend is rich in vitamin E and omega-9 fatty acids, which help nourish and repair the skin. With consistent use, it can gradually improve the appearance of dark circles, scars, marks, and stubborn dark spots by keeping the skin hydrated, healthier, and more even looking. For under eye area, use only a tiny amount and apply gently. And remember, hydrated skin naturally looks brighter. Now, here are some important facts about this remedy. It will not remove genetic dark circles. It will not instantly erase deep pigmentation. Results depend on consistency, skin type, lifestyle, sleep, nutrition, and sun exposure. For some, it may take a month to see the results, so have patience. This routine supports skin healing. It does not bleach or aggressively lighten skin. Now, who should avoid this challenge? You should skip or check with a dermatologist if you have eczema, rosacea, broken skin, open wounds, known allergies to essential oils, or very sensitive skin. Pregnant women should also avoid essential oils unless doctor approved it. So what's the final message? Glow doesn't come from harsh products. It comes from patience, nourishment, and respecting your skin's natural intelligence. This 15-day glow challenge gives your skin antioxidants, healthy fats, circulation support, and time to heal. If you stay consistent, your skin will reward you with a calm, healthy, natural glow. If you're up for this challenge, subscribe to the channel and comment 15-day glow so I know you're in. Come back after 15 days and let me know the results. Stay consistent, stay natural, and keep glowing. I'll see you soon.